Yo, shut up. Holy shit.
Holy, whoa. Are we allowed to say that?
Oh, no curse words.
Yes, we can curse, bro. Bro, we're not PG. We're PG 18, bro. How do I tell you? All right, hold on.
I tell you.
I gotta
You're
find the
allowed to-
live. No, not yet. I gotta send the link. But no, some people they probably already found. They probably got notifications on because they some real gremlins. Oh, let me see. Hold on.
I don't believe that
Nobody
shit.
has notifications for your limits.
I guess. Oh yeah, no, I am live. Yo, twin, when I tell you that's a 20-second delay, bro.
Yeah, you need to fix that, bro.
Bro, don't worry, we can see the chats, bro. I'm about to announce it in Cold World. bro, bro. Please let me stream, bro. I'm gonna say featuring Drake and Zona. Michael, I'm sorry, you can't get featured. No one knows who you are, nigga.
Jesus Christ.
Holy yeah.
It was like 5 p.m. and double S.
Yo, stop leaking.
I can hear.
Alright. Hold on. Who wants to be my mod, bro? How do I make you a mod, bro?
Hey, I made you moderator. Hey.
Oh yeah, wait. I seen that message. When did you send that message? I'm seeing it quite fast. So the delay is obviously gone better. How do I make you a mod, bro? Put user in timeout. Okay, add as a moderator. Manage and moderator. Yeah. Yes, sir.
God's Fallen, yo.
But that's OG Vice City play right there. It's the word God's fallen.
Game over.
I yo chatting them today. We doing camera manipulation, bro. About to do camera manipulation for the game and all the pathfinding and all that whatnot. You know what I'm saying? All that, but I gotta go grab the pathfinder module.
Yo, why are they blowing you kisses in the chat, bro? Come on, man.
Bro, it's Riz, bro. Let them Riz, bro.
Okay.
AI was the best. Not gonna lie. I don't know, man. I don't know, man. Were you? What I could do, because it'll be annoying if you're on here, you want to see it without changing. I'll make it so if you hover, it can change the camera.
Oh heck no.
We can do that, but let's do this camera manipulation, chat. Let's do this camera manipulation. But first, I gotta get the Pathfinder module, and I don't have it off my head, so I gotta find it in one of these games. We love Millie, bro. I love you too, Mud. Yo, shout out to my mod Drake, bro, my moderator. Yo, Zona, why you not talking, bro? Are you shy?
I'm trying to learn new skills on this game.
Yo, stop, bro. Go dev.
This guy's practicing, dude.
I'm trying to know, cause J1, right? He was doing these really cool post moves, and I'm like, but his build was letting him green it, but my build's not letting me green it, so I might have to. It might just be fries in a bag, bro. I don't know how he's doing it, and I don't want to ask him.
Oh hell no. Not glad Millie got like 11 viewers right now.
What the hell? 11?
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, someone just vote. Oh, appreciate you for the follow, BA. Yo, Millie W voice. You never heard my voice before? Type beat.
OMG,
Millie.
Okay.
I missed the admin abuse.
We're just dick right now.
Whoa. Yo.
Hold on now.
Yeah, chat. Don't listen. Don't listen to. Yo, can they hear the Discord audio? Yo, moderators. Yo, mod. Can you hear the Discord audio?
I have no idea. Mods. Come on, mods.
You were the mods, yo. I was hired the most useless mod.
You are the mods, bro.
Yo, he's the mod, bro.
Alright, let's get to Devin, boy.
Nah, I'm about to. Millie, I'm a mod in Crash Outs. Fire, bro. Oh my god, Millie, my goat. What's the word, bro? My boy J Soul. My boy J Soul back. What's the word, twin?
It was
We about to do some camera manipulation today, chat. For the CC. And then a bit of pathfinding for the dummy. I'm gonna show you guys what I have in mind once I add this pathfinding module in here. So what we have in mind is obviously as you can see the CC there's different areas, right? So this is gonna symbolize the police station. This is like, the money making part of the game. This and then over here is like when you get your apartment, the turfs, the apartments and everything. So how it is you start off here when you start the game. Look in Cold World chat. Sure, in a second. But as you can see, what we have is this is the start. So the plan is when you click on the next, it will. Boy, AI is actually getting so good. What does that mean?
Yo, check the chat. They said the face is ass, or this is the chart.
Oh, it says. I mean, I can edit the faces, but and then it's gonna like work here. Yo, Emiliano, appreciate you for the sub, buddy. Yo, I'm not like thank you guys for subbing, bro. I didn't know that the sub button worked, bro. This is my first time. I never seen a black guy with blue eyes. Well, that's why you can edit the thing. Like, yo, Chatman, can we be intelligent? Oh my god. Can we be intelligent? And I'm gonna show you guys the cool camera modules that I made for the system. It was not skidded, don't listen to him. But the speech is so smooth. Appreciate you, bro.
No. Who's writing this shit? No. Who's writing these? Who's writing these tags, bro?
Bro. It's just my people, them, bro.
Right
Is that
Really?
Is that Ben?
it's Ben, bro. I see
Ben. I'm not gonna lie.
I subscribe. Appreciate you for the sub, man. Nah, it's low-key
Why
bedtime.
are you on, bro?
I'm gonna put you guys on some game. Yeah, word. Well, there's another word for it, but let's go with prospect.
You know what my friend said? He goes, what's the best way to start learning Lua? I said, I got you, but I'm not gonna lie, this isn't easy. It's not gonna be easy, bro. He said, bro, if you have it down, it can't be that. What's he mean?
Yo, he's not lying though. He's not lying. No. You know what's crazy? Let me tell you guys some lore. Me and Zona started coding at the same time. You know what gave me motivation? Was I saw Zona getting good. When I saw Zona getting good, I was like, there was no way this bum is better than me in anything in this world. Okay. So I had to get good, bro. You know what I'm saying? So, but yeah, so we're about to do page 2. And we're about to do page 2. And yeah. So page 2 is gonna be different sections. What's up?
This guy's serious. He's trying to buy thingies.
Oh, he's
Well.
LARPing. He's LARPing.
Oh, he's LARPing.
Who?
Flammy?
So we have shirts, pants. We can do accessories. So I'm gonna add hat. Yo, the man, appreciate you for the sub, Muddy. Appreciate you for the sub. Yo, why did brother say Zona is
cool
tough?
Fuck. Hell no.
Hell no.
See, that's the correct guy right there.
That gotta be his alt. I think that guy's in the call with us right now, bro. Oh, brother.
Mike.
Yo.
Oh. Bro, we get this guy. I want to be like Millie and Zona. Yo, Ben, stop, bro. Behave yourself.
Ben, bro, you know you want to be like me instead, bro. These guys are losers.
So we're gonna do hats, and we're gonna do we have hats. What else should we do? Let me check the data store. Yo, and this time I'm not gonna end the stream like quick, bro. Last time I'm not gonna lie, I ended the stream after like an hour, bro. I got the calls, bro. I had to leave. Let's do glasses. Like no fake your face wear. No, I'm gonna separate glasses and face wear because what if I'm gonna do glasses.
Oh, that's why. It's because they release so quickly.
Where's the mods? Yo, bro, I got one mod. That's Drake swag. Drake swag.
Bro, we just started, man.
Now where Zona tough as fuck. Yeah, bro. Fries in the bag. Said nobody ever. Alright, so shirts.
Big bro code like Farmer West. Oh hell nah.
Farmer West.
Hell
Farmer
no.
West.
Farmer cannot even compare. Like Farmer couldn't even understand. Like how do I tell you? How do I tell you? I forgot this is all caps. Farmer wishes he was as good as me, bro. How do I tell you? With all them damn spaces. Where's the spaces, bro? We only 500 lives deep. I'm not gonna lie. We can do better. We can do better. But
I don't know, bro. Drake, I feel like our guards are actually really ass. Cause like I keep seeing builds, these 6'4", 6'5" builds that do everything my guard do and can guard like and can defend way better. It's like, what's the point of being 6'2", other than like shooting from? I've even seen Big shoot from that far as well. So I don't know. I actually don't know.
And dribble just as good, bro. It's crazy.
That's what I'm saying. So we must be doing something wrong.
Word.
low key, should we what's it called? Should we do a quick game after? When I'm done this.
Yo, maybe.
Who won the last one?
Him.
Dang, bro, this guy Millie is not good at any games.
I bear in mind, I beat Drake.
No,
And no. If I Joe, do I have to tell these guys the lore? Do I have to tell them the lore of what this guy did, bro? Like no.
If you tell them the lore, there might be
honest?
things that come out that you won't like, bro.
Let's be honest. I feel like Practical only got serious after Drake started like swearing his life on winning games, bro. That's when shit started. I remember that, bro. I remember that he started swearing on his life. I was like, that's when this shit gets serious, bro.
Not worry, bro. That's when you know, like,
it's too good. Practical.
Bro, look, chat. I'm telling you, the only reason why this character creation is not finished by now is because of Practical, bro. I promise you, it's because of Practical.
It has us in a chokehold.
So we're gonna do the UIs first because I forgot to import I low-key forgot to import the buttons for the next and the back, which we're gonna have over here and here. And we're just gonna be flipping through pages. I'm not gonna lie. We just gonna be flipping through pages.
It was like 5.
Yo, behave yourself, okay?
All right,
Jeez
sorry,
Louise.
Mr. Mike. Mr. Michael A.
Yo, what's wrong with this guy? What's wrong with this guy? Alright. So image button. Let's get this imported. Okay, it's time to just, get this out of here. Cookies. Millie crashed his car. Yeah, I crashed my. I used to drive a wide body Hellcat, bro. We crashed it, bro. So I have to stick with the AMG. Okay, what's wrong with this guy? Are you good, bro? Alright, so this is the button we got.
You still have that Urus?
Nah. I had to give it back to the garage.
What are you getting done to it? Wrap?
Nah. I'm getting the windows tinted.
Oh. Yeah, I was wondering why did you not have it tinted already?
Bro, it's not like people will recognize me anyways. I'm kind of unknown and like bummy, but you know what I'm saying?
True that.
True that.
What can you play? You don't want it, bro.
Bro,
Oh,
listen,
yeah.
I touched you last time. You don't want it, bro.
I don't think so.
Get on right now. Get on right now.
All right.
Yo, Millie, ain't Relix work for you? Remind me who Relix is?
Relux.
Not Relux. No, not Relux. Relix.
Oh,
Bro, I haven't gone Hollywood, bro. Stop.
about to say.
Where do I remember Relix from? Whatever.
Yeah, I can't remember him either. You need no sense.
From Vice City, maybe? Shit.
Shit. Yo, but look though, who's gonna be playing Vice City when it comes out, bro? Like, I mean,
I'll
to be honest,
for it, bro.
yeah, like,
Man.
they might be like, they're. I don't think you guys are ready for the most peak hood game you've ever played. Like, bro, and please, yo, chat. If you're watching these lives every time I go live, please give suggestions, bro, because I'm one of the devs that you give a good suggestion, I'm adding it the next day. So give suggestions. You know what I'm saying? There's no bad suggestion unless the suggestion is genuinely bad. Who made crash outs? Me and Ansel Plea. Yeah, he was. Yeah. Let's just leave it there. We made crash outs together.
Where you from, Millie? Oh, they moving federal.
Where are you from?
You
From
said
the
you want
UK,
Millie
bro.
address?
Yo, stop.
$5.
Stop. Yo, why your late man stopped working on Vice City? I traveled and you guys abandoned the game, bro. How do I tell you?
Why do your lame man stop? Yeah.
Bro, like,
Yo.
nigga, you guys abandoned the game, bro. Your skill size and position, and then set the anchor point and use constraint. Twin, we got it, man. But appreciate you for the help. But I don't think I'm using the UI control. I'm using the UI skill because I'm gonna be bouncing these buttons.
Wait,
anyways.
Storms 001?
I don't know if that's Storms, bro.
Dun, 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 dun.
Storms backdoor me already? Like, jeez Louise.
Hell yeah. Guys, it's the season of backdoors, man. Slam out your day ones. All of that. Zona, I still don't see you in here, by the way.
Oh, I thought you left the game. Hold on. I went to
Nah,
join
son.
someone else. Nah,
Wait.
son. The thing
My
I don't
suggestion-
like about this guy, right, is every game we play is we stop progressing and we just start fighting each other. Like we don't even progress. I know you have.
Do you
no
wanna
interest of
progress?
actually- No.
Nah, it's not. I'm a random chill. Oh my god, that is Storms. No, that's Storms. What a dork. What an actual dork, bro.
It was like,
Ascension is that in-game mods or owners should have a logo next to their name. Okay, now let me ask you a question, bro.
Why'd I have 9 pings from?
How is that a suggestion? How is that a suggestion for How is that a suggestion for Vice City?
they don't know.
Please,
they don't
please,
know.
please.
Allow the guys.
Look. I appreciate the suggestion, but bro, I want suggestions that everyone can like. Who cares about the admins and the mods? Now I'm playing. I'm trolling, but Jesus, how do you script all that, bro? I don't, bro. ChatGPT. Now I'm playing. Years, bro. Just
Spit.
I had to teach it, man. It was a lot of work. It was a lot of work.
Oh,
Yeah, yeah.
Shut up.
Oh, shut up! I need to tell him.
Oh
Bro,
my god, I got
I
Angel. I
can't-
got Angel. I got Angel.
That should just made me mad, bro.
All right. So what we're gonna
They're
do?
still getting touched. They're still getting touched, bro.
I picked you in Coral. What we're gonna do is that we're gonna
I
get this.
cannot find the server for my life.
We're
The
gonna
server
move
list
this
is
I'll join you, I'll join
out, and then we're gonna swap it.
What's the name of your server, real quick? See if I can
Oh, who's that moderator that keeps talking? Now, word. Yo, chat, can you tell these guys to shut the fuck up? A suggestion: you can rob a club in Vice
Yo.
City, and when you take out a chopper, it says /me took out chopper. Yeah, because there's gonna be a gun called Chopper. That fucking guy. Nah, but that's valid.
Bro, you like let them suggest, bro.
Come on. You're done
No,
with
that's
stressing,
not-
bro.
This guy's no. Millie's the type of like he said. Please give me suggestions. He's the type of dude to diss you on every suggestion. Don't say nothing stupid.
No, he's lying. Alright, so we're gonna be animating the pages, bro. So
Bro, I'll
the
just
plan
join
is
you,
to
bro. It's fine.
when you click on the new page, this will slide out, then the new page will come in. So we gotta get the previous page. It's a frame and the new page. Millie, please, man, fix Crash Out. It is full of kids hacking, bro. I've been playing this since day one. Don't want to hate the game. Mud, bro. As long as Roblox allow Android players to play Roblox, bro, they will forever be hackers. Like, how do I tell you? Like, I wish it was by my power. I wish there was power in me that mud. It's not what works, bro. Roblox, it's just Roblox to blame. I wish, you know what I'm saying? Suggestions add daily missions. That's actually a good suggestion. Yo, Drake, we need to add that. That's a good ass suggestion. Daily missions.
Oh,
Yeah,
yeah.
that's fire.
We're gonna have like a whole like tab, daily, weekly,
But like,
monthly.
there's got to be something cool you get from it that you have to wait a
Yeah.
day to do.
True. I'm sure we'll give them cool benefits with that one idea. Which I'm not gonna say.
Facts.
Bro, you guys don't understand how compy that idea is, bro. Oh my god.
Right.
Like, bro, we about to change the way everyone plays. We about to change the way everyone does gangs, bro. We about to change everything, bro.
Yeah, it's gonna be like, it's gonna be gang heaven, bro. That's all I'm gonna say.
That's what I'm saying. So get your gangs on Vice City. Vice City will have a lot less hackers. There's only need to be hackers in Vice City, to be honest. Now, crash outs, I understand why hackers play crash outs. You see someone with gold loot, the first thing you think is, yeah, let me pull out a fucking exploit tool and take that gold loot so I can make some profit. That is how hackers think, because they don't have brains.
You are
They
right,
see
bro.
they see gold loot and they say, yeah, let's go whip out the exploit tool and just ruin the fun for everyone. Now, in Vice City, it won't be like that. You know what I'm saying? Because you're gonna have to pay some money for salute. You're gonna pay money to salute. You know what I'm saying? Can you add gang signs and Aboriginal tribes to the game?
I just realized because loot. Oh yeah, if you pay while looting, then exploiters will literally.
Yeah,
not-
they can't. Yeah.
Oh,
Imagine I just did that in Crash Outs, bro. To pick up weapons, you have to pay Robux. Yeah, cookies, bro. No hackers will be in the game no more.
So no, I just killed 2 people, bro. Oh my god.
At once, like players.
At once.
Where you at?
Alright,
I added
so
you to a
Look at my
party.
screen. I bet. It was
I
like,
see. Where the money comes, yeah, the money gets.
yeah, but yo, chill.
I'm coming to you,
Are you inside of this building here?
bro. That's the other thing about. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, Millie. You're right. Like the markers in this game are so stupid. I don't know why he's in this building.
Yeah.
Wait, I
Come
think
on.
this is where you're at.
that's what I'm saying, bro. Niggas thought I was lying, bro. So we want the previous page to go out the screen. So we're just gonna do current position.
Yo, I think by next stream, this boy Millie should have a server set up for this thing.
Oh yeah, for Vice City, true. Throwing up Millie crash car, yes. Okay. Respect W Millie for talking about crash outs. Transfer old game passes over. I would if they had the same game passes. It'll be 2 different game passes. And yo, fuck you now. I'm trying to make some bread. What's wrong with you? Yeah. Yo.
I heard you say that too. Come on.
You being honest.
Bro, wait, y'all they can't make up some bread? I can't make some bread no more?
Nah, I'm gonna be real with you guys though. Like, low key, you're not doing this game for the bread. I think.
No, yeah, I'm not doing this game for the bread. That's actually one thing. Trust me, I don't need Vice City for the money anymore, so I'm not doing this for the bread. I genuinely want a hood game where you guys can have genuine fun. I thought Crash Outs was gonna have let everyone have fun until the fucking hackers came and ruined it all. So yes, looting will be a paywall,
I'm
and it's
here,
not.
bro.
It's not because
We do a mission.
it's not because I want to make money off it. It's because looting needs to be a paywall so hackers won't play. If I ban a hacker, they're not gonna buy looting on their other accounts to sell weapons. That's the only reason why looting is a paywall. But other than that, I'm not really doing Vice City for the money. But if I was doing Vice City for the money, I'll get Vice City done in a month and drop the biggest bullshit ever. Slap Vice City 2 off it, make a couple thousand USD and leave. Leak that Robux on your account. Yo, Storms, how about you go on your main YouTube account and come face me? Yo, don't make me lose my PR, bro. Okay.
Oh yeah.
PR you never had, bro.
Oh yeah. Holy
Shut
green.
up.
How do I tell him?
All right, listen. I don't have any.
Listen.
tools.
You said what? said what?
Let me see.
Oh, you guys should have seen how I just did Drake, man.
Nah, he didn't do me anything, bro. Come on,
It's
man.
on clip. Don't worry, it's on clip.
All right. Wait, how do I get abilities? Hold on.
I don't have any abilities either. You have to. We have to keep doing missions, and you have to eat those body parts, and then your fear goes up. Like I have fear 3. I can get a skill right now. Actually, let me try.
Okay, and how do I check my fear? Where do I?
Press tab, and you see the fear at the very bottom.
I have one. Is that like how? What
That's
do I
like
do
level
for that?
1. You have to keep. We do missions, and you get body parts, and you have to eat the body parts to get stronger.
Alright, do a mission. Do a mission. Low key.
All right, let me go on skill tree though.
Oh, this angel thing looks so good.
It looks tough. I'm not gonna lie. Blood spill.
Okay.
Trainee. Oh, I have to be a trainee hunter. Wait. Oh no. Track nearby devils and using to determine how much devils you need to kill to receive their talent. What?
Bro, this game has taken like 20k Robux from me now. Jesus. Great job.
You believe
bro.
the forge
Great job.
took that much and I didn't get my flipping angel? I just quit. That's why I quit. Actually, that's actually why I stopped playing.
No way.
Oh, this first skill is some bullshit, bro. Smell. I get to sniff people. It's not even an offensive skill. Yeah, let's run some missions, bro. I'm not gonna.
Yeah,
Okay.
I just pulled a crazy crate.
I'm realizing an issue with this. No.
Yes.
So going leaving
Let's
can't
go.
really be a. So what I'm gonna do? I'm not gonna do a tween utility bounce for this. I'm gonna do sign for leaving and
That's
coming
okay.
back. Okay, we're gonna do queen. We're gonna do a tween service. Previous page.
Better.
Tween info dot
see
new.
voice skin, buddy.
Is it like 0.3, 0.4,
Okay. Oh, these guys are kind of strong, so I can.
0.4, and it's not too. Yeah, 0.4 to leave. Enum.using style. That's sign, and then we're gonna do. So we'll go slow to fast. So we're gonna do in out.
If you can't parry, just block. I'm not gonna lie.
No, slow to fast is in. So we're gonna do in. Sorry. So
Oh,
enum.using direction
Alright, kill, man.
in. And then
Yeah, you got him. You got him.
that's where we're gonna do this. We're not gonna make this
You
bounce
go?
because I realize there's no point of making this bounce here. It doesn't make no
yeah, I'm
sense. to
kind
make
of
it
low.
bounce. But
Alright, there
you
you
go.
go.
so now we're gonna
See,
wait
now I
the
received, like, a
0.4.
heart and a leg. Did you receive all those body parts or not?
I don't know.
Check your inventory.
Is that lifestyle tween utils module?
Okay, so you.
Um,
Okay, that makes sense. Now we.
No, it's a tween util
By the way,
module.
people can intercept, by the way. So like.
I
that's
can't
always,
remember where I got the source from. The
Can I drop
source
these to you? Maybe you can.
the source for the tween util. I can't remember where I got it from, like the actual spring, but it was a spring module that I had, and I remade the actual functions. GitHub. No, I found it on DevForum. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a new page.
Smell how much kills I need from this person to inherit their traits or some shit. I don't know what that means. Look how fast.
Melee's Traps game coming out in 2026. Maybe, but yeah, I think it is. Yeah. Okay, let's see if this anime page will even work. I don't know how good this will look. Hopefully, it looks good first go, so I don't gotta. Alright. So let's get this page selection thing.
Oh, you have to say my
Can we see some GFX for Vice City if you have any? I don't have any Vice. I don't have GFXs made, bro. Vice City only started developing. It just started development like two, like a week ago. Yeah, like a week ago. Hey, how about you fix your game? How about you get the fuck off my dick, muddy? Like, how do I tell you? Like, what the fuck? No, why did he just say? Why did you just say that? You said, how about you? Why about you fix your game? Get off my dick.
Cooked, bro. Like seriously, this guy is so gay.
All right, so if not, so we're gonna get the page.
You gotta come back. You gotta
Show some of the map. The map hasn't been started yet. So the map is getting started in a couple. The map is getting started in a couple weeks, like a week or two, and then I'll start showing sneaks. It's about to be calm, bro. We're going for a city style map. It's not gonna be like Vice City one. Vice City map was terrible because Drake Swag made it. So Drake Swag will not be making this map, but it will be a good map though. It will be a good map. It will be comp.
very expensive as well.
Yeah, with the mount, bro. With the mounts we're paying. It better be good, bro. I'm not gonna lie. That might not be Storm. Yeah. The fact that she asked show some of the map, that's not Storms. My fault, twin. I thought you were Storms, bro.
Yeah, I'm trying. I'm like good health. Low key, I'm coming up. We need to find this. We need to put a ban on this guy.
Millie, do you trade? Do you day trade, or is Roblox your future? Um, bro, I do not have no type of patience to do no day trading, bro. I keep it being.
Yo, you could even have patience for that.
Now we're like, you see how I crashed out on baby, bro? That told me to fix the game, bro. Bro, I don't got no patience for day trading. Millie, how are you so good at Devin? I wouldn't say I'm the best, but I'm getting better. Tell their bitch asses in the back to stop yapping. Now, word. Tell these niggas in the back to shut the yo. Drake Zone. They said shut the fuck up,
You know what's funny? He made that up. He made that up.
bro. No, I read it in the chat. Obviously, it got tagged, but it said tell their bitch asses in the back to stop yapping. I swear down. But Victor Simon, let me put you on the game, bro. How I got good at Devin is, bro, consistency, mud. I know that's what everyone's gonna tell you, and that's boring as hell, but mud, bro. If I was gonna do this shit every day, like if I didn't sacrifice, like if I didn't sacrifice the huz, bro. Not like I was getting huz anyways, but if I didn't sacrifice the huz, I would not be where I'm at right now, bro. Keep it a beam, bro. Not me to play that shit. But yeah, that's the main reason why. But nah, chat. We if you keep on practicing, you'll get better.
Yo, just trust me, buddy. Trust me. Nah, I clapped two people. A 2v1.
drag it into primary slot. 'Cause the primary weapon is on like on your character.
Yeah, it's not letting me. Jesus Christ.
Drag it into primary slot.
Can't move.
Deadass?
Alright.
It's the same.
Oh,
Let's tap this. What's the requirements?
like, do I need this?
What's it saying?
I'm so
Damage. No, it doesn't say anything. Maybe missed.
This, nah, I understand that. Should I try to buy something else cheaper?
Yeah.
I'll do the katana. Let's see. Holy, bro. Bro.
I ain't gonna lie, bro. Millie was having the same issue.
Wait, what's he doing?
He was trying to drag it into primary slot and just didn't work. Yeah, holy bugs.
Alright,
Are you
Oh,
any
you don't
good
let
at
me
Dragon
drive.
Ball?
T-frame dot.
what's wrong?
Not gonna lie, I'm running this game pretty good. I got like 5 studios open. It's not bad.
Ben, are you in the stream or not?
I don't think he is. What have I done wrong? New page? It's not getting a new page for some reason. One is not a valid member of
Oh, you
main dot page UI.
still not working? Maybe Angel Devil isn't allowed to use a weapon. Am I tripping? Oh, bro, Angel makes weapons in the anime, right? She makes weapons out of hold on. Controllers.
I'm asking right now.
Appreciate you, Samo. I don't know why this is not working. It prints page 2. It's printing the page unless this is not getting found. Hold on, 1 sec. Hold on, I'm gonna do. This tween isn't working. I don't know why. I'm figure it out now. No. It's not. Yeah, what the fuck? So it prints page 2. For some reason, the animate page is not. It's like bugging. Right here. I don't know why though. Oh my god! First of all, hold on. I'm not even playing these tweens. I dead ass forgot. And what it could be is I don't think these tweens take position values. They low key might not take position. I think that might be the issue.
No response.
I don't think it takes position. I think it only takes size, which makes sense because how can you really tween position? Yeah, you know what? I think. So how do you spring positions? I'm gonna just copy this. Just
Bro, the game's loading. The game's loading. I haven't used it, but it's pretty cool. Animations.
oh, is it just me or you can't? You don't see the fucking. Like, it plays, but you don't see it move. Am I tweaking? Hold on.
I guess you just can't use weapons or fiends in general.
To find one inside frame.
They definitely can.
Yeah, no, but it wasn't that.
You can use weapons.
It's so when the spring module kind of like makes a frame. I don't know. Fuck, I dead don't know, but I just know you can't tweet bounce it. It works now, but what I gotta do is let me make this like let me just get rid of all this back here, and I want to see.
Holy 20-second delay.
I want to see. You see this? Like it just disappears. That tween barely tweened.
Where's like
Let me, let me make this 3 seconds. Yeah, it's just disappearing. What the fuck am I doing wrong? Am I turning previous page? It's the word ghosted. It's the word mod. You know what I think I've done? Previous page, new page. I think I did it the other way around. Hold on. Yeah, old page, new page. Could you make the crash outs admin system for mobile too? Um, that probably is the reason I'm added 2 on the scale. That probably is the reason why, I'm not gonna lie. Let's do like a 0.5. Let's see how this moves. Can you make the crash outs admin system made for mobile? The thing that we use just doesn't work with mobile. Yo, shut up. Let me try something real quick. At the same time, I think it moves too fast. So like, yeah, what the fuck is going on? I'm so confused. This doesn't tween good. Okay, let's cheese this real quick. Let's just give this let's give this what's it called? Let me turn this off. And let me turn this one off. And we'll use the same thing. And I'm gonna turn this on, make the background non-transparent. And we're gonna move this. We're just gonna move this. And I want to see what the value it gives me is. So 1.104. Cool. Okay, so hold on. Oh, Millie, yeah, I am. Yeah, I seen that. I didn't realize I didn't set it to Y scale. Oh my days, but I'm so silly, bro. Jeez Louise. I just noticed that as well when I was putting this in. I didn't set the Y scale. Fuck me, man. Let's see how this looks like now. Yo, it's easy. What's up, easy? Let me see how this looks like now. This isn't even tween no more. It didn't tween. Yo, am I a skid? What am I doing wrong? And then it's not even airing. No, yeah, nah, bro. This is not even the tweet. Not even playing, bro. Yeah, bro. Fries in the bag, cookies. Fries in the bag. I am a skid. Millie, can you fix the Mission car bugging? Mission car bug. I thought it was fixed. Look, it's, I did make it. I did make it invisible, but like it doesn't even tween. I don't know if you're seeing that. Like it doesn't tween out. Why is that not playing? What? And I get this. I get this nonsense error. What does that mean? It's not, oh the bug is not fixed. I'm gonna have to tell him to P it's not fixed, bro, because like hold on.
How do I bought it. What is this?
Oh, you're gonna lose these unlocked players. You take it out later.
Did you learn by yourself? I watched only like basic tutorials and then I learned the rest myself.
And then I had to teach myself.
Hold on. Let me do this real quick.
He explains it so perfectly. I just can't be asked to listen.
Already has selection group with players. What does this mean? Yeah, frames meant to go left to right, but what is this error? I've never seen this error in my life. What is this nonsense error? I can't tweak the position? Okay, hold on. I'll do what I'm gonna do. Would you ever bring Chirac stories back? What is Chirac stories?
I think he means a
Um,
shootout.
Yes, I killed the fucking first, bro. Okay,
we're talking about Chirac shootout.
Rich,
Nope.
rich guys are low key like, hold on, someone.
What?
I can don't mess with that. I gotta kill that devil.
Is there admin abuse tomorrow on Crash Outs? No, we are on a break in Crash Outs right now. We're on a little holiday break, mud. Because some people make it today about admin abuse. Nah, there's not gonna be admin abuse. I might hop in the game, give a little safe slot maybe, but nah, I don't have anything else planned. Okay, so here's the issue. It's printing out page 2 for old page and new page. Why has it done that then? So that's why. At least we know why it's not running. Let's print old page.
What were you saying, Drake?
Nah, I was saying, I think I should do a mixture of the show.
What division did you pick?
I didn't pick. I have to kill a devil first.
Oh, that's not the main. You still have to go back and talk to the guy. One of them is go back and talk to.
Huh?
Talk to power. You have to go back and
What
talk to him.
division are you? Bro? You just pick whatever you want.
Six. Six.
Six,
I have
seven?
Okay. Oh,
Oh, this game could be so fun with like a full squad of 40.
bro.
Right? Oh, when you reach 100 progression on opening the point, you win automatically. I see.
You got it?
Yeah, I got it now.
Chasing me, bro. You trying to put me in combat, bro. What? I'm crying.
What the fuck? Hold on. You know what? It's over here. We're just gonna we got to use a breakpoint, bro. Breakpoint is the only way I'm figuring this out.
Never found it.
Okay, so let's see.
No, but you definitely talk to him because all of them you talk to, so he's somewhere. I think you have to go outside first, right? I think it says you
Nah,
have to
nah,
go
nah.
outside.
I think I know where he is. There's like an elevator.
I went upstairs and I couldn't find that, by the way. He just disappeared after I did it. Or maybe I'm slow, I couldn't find him.
I haven't talked to my brother yet.
Okay,
Oh,
I see why now.
no division guy.
I know where he is.
Yeah, bro. Sometimes you just gotta whip out the breakpoint, bro, because
Division 6 seven. Yeah. Found him.
That's what I'm saying, bro. Breakpoint is once you whip out the breakpoint, you can see line by line what's going on. That's what I've been trying to tell you.
let's see what's printing now. New page is page 1. Why is new page still page 1?
Talk to senior devil hunter.
Oh, I see. Cause I do this. Okay, hold on.
Oh, I got hella body formation versions of this skin. Fish devil
Okay,
egg.
I know what I'm gonna do. The anime page is fine. It's just that this right here is a lot of. I just wrote a bunch of bullshit. So we're gonna rewrite this.
Okay, now I have to use a surgery kit and kill a devil. I can use it on a devil.
That's a player? Lock it, you might touch. Alright, I'm gonna come back to history after this mission. It's like 10 more seconds.
Oh my god, he might touch me.
Stay alive. Where was it again? It was like Blackmore. I run out to the entrance. Oh, I see you. I'll watch. I'll make sure you rip.
He's low-key weak. Oh my god, help me. Oh my god, kill him, bro. Kill him. Seriously, come on, bro.
Say it easy.
Kill him. Put me down right now.
Can you not catch me? Actually, this is a terrible place to fight because people like
No weapon is so hard, bro. Okay, I'm out.
I don't. The bad thing about this is that even if you're
I'm full. Fight him. I gotta walk.
who's that nigga? Oh shit!
Yo, he's running. Drop me. Nigga, wait. Punch him. I can't have that shit.
You got one.
Wow.
Let me touch him. Oh, he's running to headquarters.
He was pretty good though. Not gonna lie.
Pretty good.
He's right there. Yeah.
Who is this?
All right. Gun is open.
Oh, why is he running out?
Yo, there's three of them.
I killed him.
There's three of them though.
He left the game. He left the game. He didn't even let me grieve. Alright, I'm not gonna lie. Space out away from him because these guys could.
He did join in. These guys are random, man. Fuck. I'm hoping. Loki really is.
Oh, he's getting touched.
You see how one is fast and the other one is slow? I have no idea why it's doing that.
Oh, he has a skill.
Because they're the same speed.
Probably almost gonna be full.
Do you think I'm gonna be good at scripting when I learn a lot?
Let me tap him.
Yeah, bro. As long as you keep practicing, anyone can get good.
Nope. Fuck no. What?
What am I doing wrong here?
He's running back to you.
Nah, man, they're all protecting me. Wow, bro.
Even if we did beat it, that means they would have.
No, because we just gotta go to our
Why does one go slow and the other one goes fast, bro? I'm so confused. I guess.
Why can't it give you that type sensitivity when you're fighting or not? Yes. Yo, I'm looking. I just drive back to someone. What? You see me?
Yo,
Yeah.
where about? Still same place?
Same place, yeah.
I hope I don't lose him.
Yeah, I'm still about to chill. Oh my god, dude. These guys are. I'm trying to get it in. These guys are rapists.
Yo!
Just locking.
Wait, when did Sculpture get here, bro?
We're like 10 hours into the game, bro. Just straight up work.
To,
Nah, no, do you know why? You know why? I heard you were betting on it. Yeah, because he was playing against AK. AK came to ask me and asked, "Oh, give me 10K Robles." I'm like, give me right now 5K or something. And he was like, "No, he didn't have 1 HP on me. Flawless work."
Yeah, yeah.
It actually frightened me that he was actually playing me.
Yo, Skulker, by the way, this guy Millie is streaming right now, bro. Stream continues.
Oh, what's it name?
bro, Drake has already gotten the stream banned, bro. How do I tell you, bro? After the comment just said, yeah, dear, cookies, bro. They report me now I'm cooked, bro. You know what you said, bro. Yo, how long have I been live for, bro? Please someone go check, bro. Oh no, 60 minutes. Well, almost an hour.
I'm getting I'm dead, I'm dead, I'm dead.
Where? Press it.
Alright. So this is where we do the camera manipulation.
You die,
One
okay.
sec, chat. I'm gonna be on death real quick. Hold on.
Not that case hug.
Alright, so this is where we're gonna do the camera manipulation. So the plan is the character is here, the camera switches over here, but I don't want so I don't want I'm not really looking to do the. I'm trying to see how easy I can make this animation because you gotta understand, it has to animate, so it has to kind of like go like here and around as this guy walks. So this is gonna be the hard, annoying, long parts, which I am going to hate every second of doing this, but it needs to be done. So what I gotta do is what I'm gonna do is we're gonna tween the camera as the like so we're gonna tween the cameras and I already made a function for it earlier, so on the camera update. So no, not this. Change camera position. This. So yeah. So we might have to change some of this just to make the tweens better. But I'm gonna show you what we got. So now we need to we need to start thinking about what each page does and how it knows to switch to what each tab does. So you see this page 1, page 2 nonsense? I will be switching it, and I'm gonna call this body, and I'm gonna call this um outfits. So we can know so we can know what tab we're on. So one's for clothes, one's for the body, one's for the outfit. So everything that says page 1, yeah, that needs to now say body body, and then we need to let me get these. Let me make sure these actually hover as well. Outfit. So you have this. By the way, off stream, I'm gonna improve this front end. You know what I'm saying? What has happened? Page 1 is not valid. Okay, right here. Off stream, I'm gonna improve the front end. Not right now though, because today we're doing camera manipulation, and I don't want to do too much in one day. You're gonna add custom shoes? Yes, we will be adding shoes to the game. I just don't have any made yet. Page position, not scale. What? Oh, okay, yeah. So now I probably have to switch it in here. So body, outfit. All right, so now we kind of know where everything is. We can start running all the functions for each. Um, now that I've done that, we can make a bunch of functions for each thing. So we're gonna call this creator camera functions, and we're gonna make this a table with each thing. So we're gonna have body. It's gonna be a bunch of functions in this, and then we're going to have outfits. And today we're just gonna be doing the outfits today first. So we're gonna skip body. We're gonna go straight to outfits, right? And what we're gonna do is we're gonna have functions in order of we're gonna run this in order. Hold on. Actually, it doesn't matter what order it runs, to be honest. But um, yeah, we're just gonna say func is equal to no is equal to function. What I could do as well, I didn't gotta do it like this, bro. I could literally do it. I guess I can do it in order. I think you can just do function and function. Yeah, I can. Okay, cool. So we can do this in order. So the first thing it needs to do is, so we'll loop through this and it'll run it. So the first thing it needs to do is change. Oh, can this run this? Yeah, it can. Creator change camera position. And the camera that we're gonna be switching it to just to test is outfits. I just want to see if this works. Cameras. Cams. The outfits. I just want to see if this runs. And then the open page. When we're doing the animate page, we're gonna loop through the page category. So we're gonna say for category in creator dot functions. What camera functions? The category do. Oh no, not creator. The page category do. What I gotta do is this is outfit, not outfits. And then we just wanna category. This should work. We better find out. Let's see. First try. Will it work first try? Okay, it does work. So the issue is with this is it's pointing the wrong. It's pointing the wrong way. Now it could be that it's not anchored. Yeah, it's not anchored. So, but how that has just changed. I don't want it to be like that. Like, don't get twisted. That doesn't look bad. That's actually pretty decent. But I don't want it. I don't want it to be like that. Because the camera needs to match the speed. So what I can do, like what I turn is pretty cool. What I can do is in this, let's add a custom duration number. And we just say duration is equal to duration for 1. Just gonna have this at duration. And we're gonna make this do like 3 seconds. So now it should be a lot longer. So now, if this is a lot longer, we're gonna have time to move this motherfucker to we're gonna have time to move this bitch to the so we're gonna have time to walk this guy and put him here. Right in front. So we're gonna make a new folder. And we're just gonna call this paths. And I've already coded paths, so I'm gonna grab the paths that I coded in another game and just grab it onto here because there's no point of repeating code if I've already have this coded. There's no point of me coding it like all over again. I already coded a function for this. Let me just grab that. So what we got to do is we got this is the first bit of server side that we're gonna do for this system. So let's get our template service ready, and we're gonna call this character service, and this is the first bit of server side code. So application storage, service, it may need server storage. We're going to need Replion. We're gonna need net, and we're gonna need observers. The first remote we're gonna make is no, we're gonna call this path finding, and will be net remote event paths. We're gonna need more things, but this is all we have for now. For the variables, we're just gonna have local creation and is equal to workspace creation, local dummy is equal to where's workspace holder dummy. Cool. What's up, Adin Ferreira? It's the word Antiplee. W stream for real. So we're gonna start doing the pathfinding now. So we're gonna make a function for how the pathfinder is gonna work. So AC the only thing you're gonna have to send would be the location. Then I'm just gonna make it simple as so function gather path wguess2 the type shit function gather path or function module. We're just gonna call this path remote, right? We're gonna connect this to the thing. So connect paths, and we're gonna have the module underscore path remote. We need player. Wait, hold on. Is this no? Oh. Action, and then just whatever. I'm gonna say, yo, Max, appreciate you for the sub, my boy. But that sub sound scares me every single time, bro. How do I reduce the sound of that, bro? Gather path. Then I'm gonna say local path is equal to it should send the actual path thing. So this will be a base part. So let's set this as a base part because we know it's gonna be a base part. Like I said, I already have this path finding thing. Oh my god, I need to call it. So simple. We're gonna be using simple path for this. And I already coded it, so we're gonna get this. We're gonna get dummy. And then we're gonna visualize it in Studio just so we can see how this looks. And then we're gonna run the animations and play it. So I'm gonna get this animation. I'm gonna get rid of this. Get our run service. And that would be our path. Let's get rid of this as well. Let's just print ended. So on this is where we're gonna turn the camera turn the character if need, play idle animations and all the other bullshit to send to the client. But this is what we're here. This is what we're gonna be working with. So when I click, it should walk here. If I do this right, so let's start calling. Let's call this remote. Let's call this remote. First of all, should not be here. Should be here. And pathfinding. Let's call this on the character creator. Where's my remote? So our first remote, and then so right here, while it runs this functions, we need the pathfinding. We're gonna fire the server. We're gonna call gather path, and it will be in we're gonna call this outfit path. Wait, and don't go yet. Don't go yet. Just peep this. You already left. There's 20 minutes delay, bro. And it did, bro. It's equal to creation room dot paths. The outfit path. This should work first go, unless I'm a skid. But I feel like there's no reason why this shouldn't work. Bring 1017 back. The thing. Okay, it did work. Now it looks very stupid, and there's no animation, and it doesn't have anything. It doesn't have. So when we add the animation, then we like turn the camera, turn the character. So right now it kind of looks like it slides. If I can see this from another perspective, I can actually. If I run this and open it from here. Wait, hold on. All right, let me redo this. But in a bit, Ants, bro, stay safe, my boy. Okay, let's position this on the server. So we have this, and we're gonna just quickly watch this on the server. So it does that. So we needed to rotate. So we need this on the server to rotate to where the camera is facing, and we can do that by just simply doing a in the end. We can do a simple look at. So when this is stopped, we can do a quick like rotate. Obviously, I'll probably tween or use like a line position. But for now, let's just hard force the the dummy's root part to face the path. So what we can do now is we can just say so we can say dummy dot primary part dot C frame is equal to C frame not new no is equal to dummy dot primary part dot C frame multiplied by C frame dot angles 0 math dot rad path. You know what we can do? We can have it no we can have it following the exact same the C frame angle the part. Sorry, C frame dot angles path either 0 path dot C frame dot y 0. Let's see how this looks. This might not even work because I probably did the wrong axis, but we'll figure that out now. Yeah, I did the wrong axis. No, I didn't do the wrong axis. Show orientation indicator. Path.C frame dot y. I be forgetting, bro. What moves? So hold on, let me switch it. Let me do this real quick. What turns? If I do this, so that's what rotates it. Math. Alright. Let's see how this looks. Why is I not taking the orientation properly? Am I doing something wrong? That's the thing about C frames, bro. This should be PM on, so I'm just gonna do it like this. We're gonna do C frame, 2 Euler angles, 2 Euler angles X, Y, Z, and we're gonna have 0. We're gonna have path dot C frame dot Y 0. Hold on. That's the same thing. Let me try this. My C frame math is not on point at all. What the fuck am I doing? Hold on. You want this? You know what I'm gonna do instead is if we can get the orientation like this and set it down like hold on. Let me get the Euler's angle shit real quick. So Oh fuck. Roots dot C frame. Got number. Oh, the whole time I'm doing this shit wrong. I didn't even notice. What's wrong? I was doing this wrong. Let me check something. Wait, first of all, let me see if I can get the animation for this. Yeah, now probably it's probably better off to do it in line position so it does more of a natural turn. If I don't do a natural turn, it's gonna look goofy as heck. I actually have the line position already set in the OG file for the movement system, so I'll probably grab that. And let me grab that walk animation too. I'm gonna just grab the whole movement on this. I already have it. So yeah, that's good. All right. So let's fix this street frame. So we need dummy dot primary part dot C frame. I think I was doing this shit so completely wrong before. I didn't even notice. Multiplied by C frame dot from Euler's angle XYZ. And we will do 0 math dot rad 180 and then 0. Let's see this. Alright, yeah, so that's perfect right there. I knew I was doing this shit wrong, bro. I'm stupid as hell, but it looks stupid though. Like, how do I tell you? It looks very, very trash. That's okay though. Let me get this walk animation thing ready. I already have it coded, so I will just copy and paste it. But so dummy document the animation. Let's call animation. So local animation. So repetitive storage dot assets dot animation, and then that walk. Perfect. Is that my son Millie? Yo, what you telling me, Renzi? Alright, so that animation didn't even play. Am I tweaking or that? Oh, I know why I didn't play. Because I didn't even realize that this walk right here is like literally. Wait a second, bro. I just been vibing, bro. This walk right here is like movement thing. So we need to replace this walk with we need to replace this walk with something that's of higher about higher priority. Because right now this is So let's make this like action 3. I'm just gonna publish this. I'm not gonna give it a name. Wait, animation's supposed to work? Nah, it doesn't work. It works if you own the animation, but not that don't work still. Millie, can you teach me a bit on scripting or want me to watch vids? You're probably better off watching vids, bro. I'm not the best, bro. How do I tell you? Okay. See, that just looks so. It looks so tragic because of the way that I'm turning the character. Once I put this in the line of orientation, I promise it'll look way better. Like when I give it a natural turn, I'm just lazy right now. That's the only reason why I haven't done that. But once I give that natural turn, it will make more sense. But the goal is he walks to this side, you see him come, and then okay, this Euler's angle is fucking up. So I'm gonna put you guys on the method, right? Say I have this dummy. This is why I use the Euler's angles, because Euler's angle kind of just takes the same, from what I know, it takes the same like rotational value as how you would have it in studio. So what you're gonna do is you're just simply gonna position it like this, position it how you want it to be positioned. You're gonna grab this orientation right here, and then if you paste it, it should take that. It should now. If it doesn't, I'm gonna look like I don't know what the fuck I'm talking about. But it should. Yeah, bro, I don't know what the fuck I'm talking about. Yo, yeah. Look, don't even take no advice from me, bro. But like, you maybe teach me a bit of scripting. Boss, I'm not gonna lie, bro. You're probably better off watching videos. I'm pretty sure I answered that question already. I'm not the best. I'm decent, bro. Okay, so this worked. This gave it the 180. I don't know why it's I have no idea why it moved the other time. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna make it so the animation stops. It waits like a second. It waits a couple of seconds. Let's say 0.3 for this to fully end, and then okay, that's better, bro. Is it just me or does it feel like it's? Does it? I don't know if it's just me, or does it feel like it's changing its orientation every single time, bro? What is going on? It's the same path. To be fair, I know why, because it's probably calculating different paths. Okay, no, it's the same every time. Okay, good. It's probably calculating, but we gotta get that turn to be way more natural. And I will figure that off stream because I'm gonna be doing a lot of fucking calculations. I don't want to do that on stream because how I do the math, for example, as you saw me, I will keep writing shit until it works. C-frame maths, bro, is trial and error. Like, I understand like the premise of most things, but bro, it is. I will keep writing shit till it works, bro. That's how I get it done. That's like I'll just keep writing shit, bro. I'll just keep writing shit until it works. And luckily we got this working with the from Euler's angle. We got it working good as well. Okay, let me just do one more thing. Let me actually edit the character, then do the walk. But yeah, man. So we got one part of the character creation done. So we got the actual thing here done, which is good. Why not use walk to point then tween the orientation when it's finished? The reason I didn't want to use walk to point is because so walk to point is good, but let me tell you the reason why. So you see how this one I could just put one part and it does like a little like a turn. So the reason why I use simple path is that simple path okay, I have to do it here. The reason why I use simple path is because simple path will kind of give it more of a like I just thought it would give a more realistic part because originally I was just gonna do walk to point and tween the orientation. I'm probably still gonna tween orientation. I'm not gonna lie. I'm probably still just gonna. I'm probably not gonna touch that line position, but or line orientation. What I was gonna do is that. So the reason why I decided to use simple path is because I know that it can give me more of a realistic. It can give me like curves, like it's not walking in a straight line. But walk to point, I literally have to put like 1 point here, 1 point here, 1 point here, 1 point here, 1 point here until it reaches here. I have to. I just want to do it one path with one thing. So I just assumed that single path, and I was right, would kind of give me a good curve on how it should look. So that's the reason why I went for that instead. Like if I go into here, I run this, it kind of gives me like a nice curve thing. Not like it doesn't kind of just give that whole like straight down kind of a box thing. So it kind of does a little curve thing and it'll turn. But right now it doesn't look good. But I promise you, the next time I stream, it will look way better. Um, I was thinking you want a straight line. Now, yeah, I don't want a straight line, and I'm thinking that yeah. So that's the reason why I just wanted to do the simple path because I wanted it to. I just thought it would look better if there was a little bit of curves, but holy smokes, bro. Storing cash outs for my group. Um, but yeah. But the camera manipulation shit that we have so far though, I think it looks good. I think it looks good. But what I'm gonna do is I don't like how it kind of looks straight. Like it would be nice if you could kind of see the person walk alongside. So I might do something here. I might do something. I might this might look very bad, but what I might do is I might get a camera, turn it, put one like here, to kind of like film the walk. Millie, can I add you on Discord? Yeah, go ahead. Oh, let me just. It's just for testing. I don't think this will look good, but it might look good. And that's what we care about. So if I can get a halfway camera thing, so if I could do 1.5 for outfits 2, another 1.5 right here. If I do like a little task about weight 1.5, but we need to fire this anyways. Let's see how this will look. This might look cheeks, but only want me to find out, man. You see, that don't look terrible. It only looks bad because of the stop. I want it to kind of be like seamless, where there's no stop. So if I let me see if I get this at like a 1.2 before it stops. It still does that nonsense, bro. It really still does that nonsense. But I will figure this out so it doesn't do that nonsense. I want it to be like really seamless. And to be honest, I don't even think it looks that nice. I keep it a bean. So I'm gonna leave it how it is right now. Let's stick to what we have. What the fuck? Why is this turn? Why is this turn nonsense, bro? Did I not just fix this? And decide to do some nonsense. It's walking now, and now this has decided to be bipolar. I'm gonna have to fix that. But I probably do that shit off stream, bro. Because if not, it's just gonna be like a bunch of stupid like me wrecking my head on stream. But yeah, why is this completely done a full 360? I'm so confused. I have no clue. But this Euler's angle thing is probably not even the best way to do it. But I'll get a tweet and tweet orientation later. But I'm not gonna lie. How do I tell you I don't have the rest of the UI? So next time I go on stream, we'll actually be coding the outfit stuff. I don't want to do it right now because I don't have the animations. I need animations. I have UI. I don't know why I said I don't have UI, but I have animations. I mean, we don't have the animations, so I'm gonna get the animations for the clothes bit, and then we'll start coding that next time I stream. When will I stream again? No clue. Wow, damn, my stream was only 1 hour 40 minutes. Holy, that's actually the longest I've gone. But look, it's time to head to bed, bro. I'm tired as hell. It's 11. It's well past my bedtime. How do I tell you guys? Well past my bedtime. I do not stay up this late. But yeah, chat, bro. Appreciate everybody for tuning in. Yo, J-So, appreciate you for coming back again, bro. You are W mans. And you be helping me every single time, bro. I make myself look stupid on here. I promise you guys I can script, bro. But bro, it's the pressure. But I'm finna head out now. Or sleep. And whatnot. Hold on. So, but yeah, appreciate you guys for hopping on, bro. I'll probably hop on stream another time later when I have time to work on Vice City again. By the time you guys see it again, this whole camera shit will be polished and better manipulated. I just have to do that off stream because, bro, this is gonna wreck my head. I'm such a perfectionist, and if I do it on stream where I'm just constantly changing these values, you guys will get bored, bro. When I keep streaming, I'll tune in W, bro. And maybe next time, maybe one day, bro. You can one day we could check out some more of your games again. Yeah, that was cool the first time. But look though, appreciate you guys for tuning in, and yeah, I'm gonna end it now. Talk to you.